day there, friends, wherever you are. I hope your day is as good as mine, because today I enthusiastically acclaim rather, a fantastic day. I'm sure you want to know why. Well, 78 days passed. Las Vegas was shut down. Nothing. For us, today is 88 days. We're finally getting out the bunker, heading out there to have some fun. Alright friends, as I was saying, today we're heading out to lunch. It's been many days and I am so excited. This is something that we take it for granted from time to time in the past, not realizing what we have had then until it was no more for 78 days. So we're heading to Summerlin, to one of many of our favorite places called the Vintner Grill. I can't wait to show you what's on the menu or what's for lunch. I hope you'll indulge with me. This is the I-15 highway, heading in that direction. I think I should have gotten off at prior exit. Nevertheless, there are plenty of other exits to get off. So I think I'll be getting off Spring Mountain and loop my way back to Charleston Boulevard. From this vantage point, you're looking at the Strip. Although we'll be heading away from the Strip momentarily. Finally, Las Vegas is awake. Though slowly, not everything is open. Not all the casinos are. Downtown open up, and along the Strip, spotted casinos are in operation. 88 is a good number. Like I say, 88 days. Las Vegas is all about numbers. All about numbers. So 88 is a good number. Alright guys, so we're now in Spring Mountain, heading towards, this is actually Chinatown, starting here. A very popular location, especially during regular business. Chinatown, some restaurants are considered industry restaurants, close late at night. So those folks that are 24 hours employees in the casino, they have places to go. This place on the right is called the Lotus. It's a brand new building, chic, especially for casino workers, dealers, etc., etc. This is where they usually reside. There's a second building being built just right behind us. That too is being developed by the same company. And this is Chinatown. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We got off the actual we got off the correct path and had to get back on the actual main road. So this is Charleston Boulevard. we're closely abutting Summerlin at this point. So yeah, we're almost there. As I mentioned before, I can't wait for you to see and indulge with me. See what's for lunch. By the way, today the weather is exceptional. Normally at this time of year, you're looking at triple digit. Today it's a beautiful, beautiful 87 degrees. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Great for outdoor dining. So we look forward. Fresh air and hopefully a fantastic lunch. There. I think we're gonna make it just in the nick of time. We only have 2 minutes to spare. Normally ahead of the game when it comes to get to where I'm going on time. Let's see a little bit further up, and we should be there momentarily. So this is Summerlin. Summerlin's a lot of lots happening here, lots of development. A little bit on the expensive side to live. But a great place to hang out for restaurants. At some point in time, we'll check out downtown Summerlin. It's a beautiful shopping district. There. 1 minute to go, 1 minute to spare. All right, so here we are at the Vintner Grill. Wonderful favorite spot. Join me and let's see what's for lunch. Check out the menu.
Hi.
Hello.
There.
How are you?
I think
Thank you.
she definitely needs a break.
All right.
Just to let you know, there's pretty good sticklers when it comes to lunch and dinner. There's like transient.
Okay.
Within the next half an hour. So do you want to just order up the lunch?
Yeah, we're gonna do the lunch.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's our plan, and we're gonna do it fast because
Okay.
we know we're running behind.
Okay, that sounds great.
Yeah, I
I'll
understand.
tell.
All right. So I believe at about this time I should be able to take my my mask off. This is the only way I'll be able to eat. So let's check the menu out. And get started. Hi there, how are you?
I wasn't sure.
Oh, no, you're fine, you're fine. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier, we're here at the Vintner Grill. As you know, because of the current situation that we're in, the menus are normally disposable. So this is their menu, the luncheon menu. Orders ready to place. We're in for a treat today with crispy calamari, with haricot, lemon, and curry aioli, and the pan-seared crab cakes with tarragon cream sauce, roasted peppers, and the mixed green salad. Oh, we so much look forward to this. For entree, will be the bouillabaisse with mussels, clams, red snappers, shrimp, scallops, calamari, and the tomato saffron broth. And the entree 2 will be the Mediterranean branzino with Jersey potatoes, asparagus, sauteed artichokes, baby heirloom tomatoes, and the Meyer lemon beurre blanc. Can't wait to dig in. Hey guys, so like I mentioned before, Vintner Grill, especially this time of day, for, I would say, with this weather, you have the outdoor dining area, which works perfect for today. You could not ask for a better day. 87 degrees. Normally at night, the atmosphere is just absolutely beautiful. This is a local's favorite, and one of ours as well. All right, so here we are. The appetizer is here. Take a look at this. Oh man, I feel you in on this one, huh? Look at it. Awesome. So this is the crab cake I mentioned earlier, and my next appetizer, it's gonna be the crispy calamari. Ah, I can't wait to dig into this. All right. Let's take a bite. Take a bite with me. Absolutely delicious. Alright. Let's take a look at the bread presentation and the butter presentation. Alright guys, so a great accompaniment for the appetizer and entree is a very light
Yes, it has a
Pinot Noir.
Correct.
Oregon Pinot Noir. As I delve through lunch, may I say cheers. A votre santé.
Right,
Salud.
it's real property.
Prost.
Are you an agent?
Salute.
Okay.
Uro.
Yes, and there's a lockbox on the gate. And then the owner
Let's
will
eat.
Consider owner will carry.
Yummy, yummy.
All right, perfect.
So, guys, as a food and travel, especially for the food portion of most of my videos, they will entail, I would like to break them down in a couple of categories. I will call them Main Street, Side Street, Back Street, maybe Mid Street. And the categories simply mean depending on whether or not it's a white tablecloth restaurant. Signs, $3 symbol. Anywhere from $1 to the $4 symbol. Whether or not it's Michelin 5-star or James Beard. James Beard more than likely, and Michelin 5-star. Not more than likely, definitely will be in the Main Street category. So that is how I will actually break down my videos when it comes to food. Now granted, I'm not a critic, so don't get me wrong, I just like good food. And when you indulge with me, I will be able to share what I like about it. Again, cheers. L'chaim. Alright guys, so here comes the entree. I'm gonna give you a peek of it. So here we have the bouillabaisse. I'll just give it a little bit of, I'll just indulge you with the presentation. Perhaps get a little bit of, let's zoom in a little bit. So you can get, here we go. You can get an idea. So this is the bouillabaisse. And the next entree is the Atlantic salmon. So there you have it. That's lunch. And so I'm just gonna dig in. And at this point, I will say, have a bite. So guys, this is the beauty with Las Vegas. Las Vegas has many layers. And oftentimes, visitors tend to misconstrue what Las Vegas is all about. They believe Las Vegas is just a casino. There's so many times the question came up, do you live here? It's almost easy to say sometimes, oh no, I take the Starship back to space. But that wouldn't be PC. But Las Vegas has many layers, and for those that live here locally, there's so much to enjoy. Granted, a 24 hours town. You can go basically anywhere, perhaps not everywhere, to find a bite. Doesn't matter what time of night it is. So that makes it a very, very convenient way to live. As I mentioned earlier, the Chinatown area restaurant will operate anywhere until 2:30, 3 in the morning to support those 24-hour casino worker. All these layers of different things to do in Las Vegas make it a very fun place to live. I couldn't have asked for a better place, frankly. So guys, this was a terrific meal. This is a terrific meal. Breakfast, make that lunch/dinner. This place never failed us at all. I want to show you my plate. Gone. Down to the last grain of couscous. That's how fantastic that was. Oh man, I'm telling you, this place is a winner every time. Can't wait to get back. Hey guys, so ordinarily, dessert is one of those things that we try not to indulge in. simply because we alternatively run every day, walk, and a bike. We thought about the calories, but not today. After 88 days, oh man, we're going all the way out. So today we're having dessert. Today we're having the Meyer lemon cheesecake as the finale. And this I will have to share with my friend, because I'm telling you, there is no way that I'm gonna gobble all these calories down. But I just want to share with you what I'm having for dessert. And it looks delicious. I'm going to dig into it, and I'll give you the analysis as to what it's like. Let's give it a try. But first, take a bite. Perfect. Perfect weight, not too dense. Don't like my cheesecake extremely dense. And the raspberry, the blueberry compote rather, just give it the right balance in terms of flavor. Absolutely delicious. So my friends, this is where we wrap it up. Until the next time, I hope you'll indulge with me, as always. Jamaican and the move. One love.